just coming outside sometimes and being outside in nature is very, very peaceful. Like when I stand here and I hear the birds chirping and you see like squirrels playing, there's a little squirrel right there, he's going across. It's very peaceful. It's very, very peaceful. Hugging a tree, hug a tree, get outside, look up at the sky, look at how beautiful the sky is. Feel how comforting the sun is and realize that everything is going to be okay. You come from something much higher, and the arms and the energy and the love from the universe and God is always with you. It's always wrapped around you. So there's no need to stress. There's no need to fear. The universe is always there. Don't worry about what your family says about you. Don't worry about what your friends say about you. Just love you. Find peace within you.